the last line. Mahusay. Candidate number 7, Ms. Herlene Nicole Budol. Please speak your hashtag. Judges, Trends Fans, and Sitio Balabaran, Ms. Herlene pick hashtag Feather Duster.
Feather duster. Yeah, okay. Hashtag feather duster. Saan mo nga ba ginagamit ang feather duster? Kapag yung lugar na yon maalikabok, kapag yung lugar na yon napabayaan, gagamitin mo yung feather duster. Yun yung saan. Ngayon, ano? Ano ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng feather duster? Meron namang walis tambo. Meron namang basahan. It is because for us to be reminded that everyone or everything that was created has its own purpose. Nakatulad ng isang feather duster, kung i-relate ko yan sa buhay ko, para akong feather duster na minsan dinided ba kasi walang purpose. But if you will think of it, paano kapag feather duster na lang yun nandyan sa harapan mo at gusto mong linisin yung isang bagay, gagamitin mo rin ako at sasabihin mo, ang feather duster nito ay may silbi. At ito, si candidate number 7. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 7, Herlene Nicole Budol.